Okay, in this step we're going to make the VR camera for our scene to experience the hand tracking in VR status. Okay, we have AR Vision Origin. It is the parent of the AR Foundation camera, and we have AR camera in here. It is our AR camera. The mechanism of AR camera in AR Foundation is when you rotate your phone, the AR camera will rotate in the 3D space as well. So we can use this feature for make our VR mode for our game. Okay, I adding the new camera, and I put as a child of the AR camera, and I say okay, VR camera, and the depth of it as a default depth of AR camera is 0, so you can put 1, and also you can put something like this. Oh, the position must be 0 0 0, exactly that position of AR camera. So when we rotate or move the AR camera, we will have the rotate and move the VR camera as well. And the thing I want to put the test object as a child of the hand collider. The hand collider, this green cube, as you know, it is the icon of our hand in the 3D space. So it's better to be here, a little bit smaller, and something like this. When we move our hand, the cube is moving by it as well. Alright, for the VR, for now our VR will be the single screen. We can put the dual screen as in here, for example 2 cameras, and or another SD case for the VR. We can put as a child of the AR camera exactly that things I made in here. Okay, let's do test in our phone. Let's do export an APK, and we say okay, VR2 hand test version 2, and let's do export an APK and test in our phone.